রাজনৈতিকভাবে পরাজিত হয়ে এরপর তিনি গেছেন এখন বিদেশে। এখন তিনি গুপ্ত হত্যায় নেমেছেন। এই গুপ্ত হত্যায় আওয়ামী লীগের নেতাকর্মী, এমনকি লেখক, প্রকাশক, বিদেশি সকলের উপরে গুপ্ত হত্যা। এবং যখনই তদন্ত করে ধরা পড়ছে এই খুনিদের পরিচয় কি, যাদের কি ধরা পড়ছে দেখা যাচ্ছে তারা ছাত্র জীবনে ছাত্র শিবির অথবা বিএনপি ছাত্র দল করতো বা বিএনপি করতো।
তাই আজকে প্রতিশোধ নিয়ে বাংলাদেশকে একদম খোকলা বানিয়ে দিয়ে, বাংলাদেশকে একদম ধ্বংস করে দিয়ে, সমস্ত প্রতিষ্ঠান ধ্বংস করে দিয়ে বাংলাদেশকে তলাবিহীন ঝুড়ি বানিয়েছিল। এবারে তার থেকেও নিচে কোথায় কোন কি বানাবে আল্লাহর নামে বাংলাদেশকে ধ্বংস করে দিয়ে তিনি হয়তো।
The bitter rivalry was famously termed as Battle of the Two Begums and had colored Bangladeshi politics for nearly 3 decades. It began in 1991 when Khalida first became Prime Minister, and since then, the office has been occupied by either of the warring women. Hasina is the daughter of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, who led the country to independence from Pakistan in December 1971. He was assassinated in a military coup in 1975 along with most of his family. Khalida is the wife of Ziaur Rahman, who was an army officer who was the country's first military dictator. He was president from 1977 to 1981 before he too was assassinated. Khalida was jailed after being sentenced for a corruption case in 2018, which she said was politically motivated. She was allowed to come out of jail in 2020 over health issues. The BNP boycotted the 2024 elections, alleging that the Awami League had rigged them. Following the current protests, the government has claimed that the BNP and its student wing, that is the Chhatra Dal, were instigating the protests.
There were still very pro-Pakistan elements who were still there when Sheikh Mujibur Rahman ruled the country between 72 to 75.
Right.
In 75, he was assassinated by one of his, top army commanders, generals, General Ziaur Rahman, who is sort of, said to be the instrumental behind the assassination of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, who's Hasina's father. And General Ziaur Rahman's wife, Khalida Zia, later took over the mantle of the party called the BNP, Bangladesh Nationalist Party. So there has been this tension between Sheikh Hasina and Khalida Zia from that time.
Yeah, it's like a head-on rivalry.
Yeah, so people call it Battle of the Two Begums.